Today I'm going to teach you lot how to make authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Right, to our boiling water, we're going to need about 2 cups of frozen peas. Don't lie, I got you, didn't I? Obviously I'm not an idiot, I know what I'm talking about. So here I've got about 2 cups of washed and rinsed kidney beans. I've soaked these kidney beans overnight. Now in Jamaica, we season everything, even our rice. So let's go in with some crushed garlic, a whole bunch of scallion, 2 fresh bay leaves, you can use dried if that's all you got, 1 hot Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seeds, and lastly, some fresh thyme. Now we're gonna cook this until the beans are completely soft. Now it's time to go in with a whole can of coconut milk. I like to add in more fresh scallion because you can never get enough. Our washed rice goes in, seasoned with some all-purpose seasoning. The lid goes on, we cook this on a really low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. That is absolute perfection. But these peas are gonna take it to the next level.